Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 78 Ford Bronco. Really nice Bronco, rust-free truck, come out of South Texas. So nice and clean. They did a great job on the paint. Look at that shine there. Got a lift kit, Cooper tires on it. I believe they're 35s. Yep, 35, 12, 50, 15s. But look, you can see that shine on that paint. I'd probably call this a show quality truck. Not perfect because looks like it's got the original grill surround and you can see a few scratches, and I thought once, right there and stuff. So it got a little ding in it right there. But that also, they're better than the Chinese one anyway. I'd say probably same deal, bumpers, maybe original or a little older because not perfect. But the paint is definitely show quality. The lift is nice. Got Rancho suspension. It's a custom. Got a custom roll bar in it. Like I said, not a lot of flaws to show you on the paint there. You can see my reflection in the video, so you can just see the quality of the paint. Doors shut nice. Interior's been reupholstered. There's your custom roll bar if you want to take the top off. Got JVC stereo system in it. Of course, four-wheel drive does have the seat belts, 3-point seat belts. Still got the tag there and everything. So doors shut nice. Dual exhaust, it sounds really good. We'll show you that in the running video. Probably the only thing is how the rear gate shuts. That isn't perfect. That's probably the one flaw I'm going to show you on it, is just how that latches. That could be worked on if there's anything to do with it cosmetically. But like I said, you can see my picture in there, and this finish is like a mirror. So nice quality paint job. Got a step there. Like I said, not a lot of flaws to show you on the paint. I do got one little chip there. So really cool Bronco. These second generation Broncos are getting to be great investments because they're still somewhat affordable. I hate to say $50,000 is affordable, but in the Bronco market it is. So if you're looking for one that'll really stand out and get you some attention, this one will do it. Give me a call, 605-695-7391.